Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI tools to help you figure out which one is best for you. There are a ton of options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's like thinking about which smartphone to buy in the year 2024. Lots of potential, but also a lot of unknowns. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into 3 of the most popular AI tools available right now: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai. We're talking features, pricing, the whole 9 yards, so you can make an informed decision and find the perfect AI companion for your specific needs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to learn more about the power of AI, this video is for you. So stick around and let's unpack the future of AI tools together. Okay, so before we jump into the nitty-gritty details of each tool, let's take a step back and talk about why AI tools are important in the first place. AI, or artificial intelligence, is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative technology that's reshaping industries and redefining the way we live and work. I mean, why should you even care? Well, think about how much technology has already changed our lives. From smartphones to smart homes, technology is deeply integrated into our daily routines. Well, simply put, AI is changing the game. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a revolutionary shift. Imagine a world where machines can understand, learn, and adapt just like humans. It's like the early days of the internet. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Back then, the internet was a novelty, and now it's a necessity. AI is on a similar trajectory. These tools are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, more creative. Think about it. Imagine having a personal assistant that can handle mundane tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. We use AI every day without even realizing it. From the recommendations you get on Spotify and Netflix, to the spam filters in your inbox. These are just the tip of the iceberg. But these new AI tools, they're on another level. They are not just reactive, they are proactive, anticipating your needs and providing solutions before you even realize you need them. We're talking about tools that can write different kinds of creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, and even entire books. Imagine the possibilities for content creation and storytelling, musical pieces, email, and so much more. AI can assist in composing music, drafting emails, and even creating complex algorithms, letters, and so on. The scope of what AI can do is expanding rapidly, and it's becoming an indispensable tool in various fields. And answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, providing accurate and helpful responses. This is some seriously powerful stuff, and it's only going to get more advanced from here. The pace of innovation in AI is accelerating, and we're on the brink of even more groundbreaking developments. So, yeah, I think it's worth paying attention. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone curious about the future, understanding AI and its potential impact is crucial. It's not just about keeping up with trends. It's about being prepared for a future where AI plays a central role in our lives. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This AI conversationalist has been a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Now, if you've been anywhere near the internet lately, you've probably heard of this one. It's been the talk of the town, making headlines and sparking conversations across various platforms. It's been making waves, and for good reason. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot. But what does that mean exactly? Well, it's built on a massive data set of text, allowing it to understand and generate human-like responses. Essentially, it's like having a conversation with a super intelligent AI. Imagine having a personal assistant who can answer your questions, help you brainstorm ideas, or even just chat with you when you're bored. You can ask it questions, give it prompts, and it will respond in a way that feels surprisingly human. Whether you're looking for information, advice, or just a friendly chat, ChatGPT has got you covered. One of the things that sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to hold a conversation. It's not just about answering questions, it's about engaging in a meaningful dialogue. It remembers what you've said before and uses that context to inform its responses. This makes the interaction feel more natural and coherent, almost like talking to a real person who remembers your previous conversations. It's not just giving you canned answers, it's actually engaging with you. This level of interaction is what makes ChatGPT so impressive and enjoyable to use. Now, ChatGPT is still under development, but it's already capable of some pretty amazing things. The team at OpenAI is constantly working to improve its capabilities, making it smarter and more intuitive with each update. People are using it to write everything from blog posts and articles to poetry and even code. The versatility of ChatGPT is truly remarkable, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. And the best part? ChatGPT has a free tier. This means you can explore its features and capabilities without any financial commitment, so you can actually try it out for yourself without spending a dime. This accessibility has allowed countless users to experience the power of AI firsthand. They do have a paid version, which gives you access to more features and faster response times. But the free version is a great way to get your feet wet and see what all the hype is about. The paid version is ideal for those who need more advanced capabilities and are looking to integrate AI more deeply into their workflows. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about AI, ChatGPT offers something for everyone. It's a tool that can enhance productivity, spark creativity, and provide endless entertainment. The global reach of ChatGPT is also worth noting. People from all over the world are using it, breaking down language barriers and connecting in ways that were previously unimaginable. As we look to the future, the potential applications of ChatGPT and similar AI technologies are limitless. From education to healthcare, from customer service to creative writing, the possibilities are endless. The evolution of AI is an exciting journey, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. With continuous improvements and innovations, who knows what the future holds? So, if you haven't tried ChatGPT yet, now is the perfect time. Dive in, explore its features, and see how this incredible AI conversationalist can enhance your daily life. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, or simply have a fascinating conversation, ChatGPT is here to help. Give it a try and join the AI revolution today. Next up, we have Jasper AI, a tool that's specifically designed for content creators. This innovative software is revolutionizing the way we approach content creation, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. If you're a blogger, marketer, or anyone who creates a lot of written content, you need to check this one out. Imagine having a tool that can not only help you brainstorm ideas, but also assist in structuring and drafting your content. Jasper AI is that tool. Jasper is built on a similar technology to ChatGPT, but it's been fine-tuned for specific use cases. This means it understands the nuances of different types of content, whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or a marketing email. It's like having a team of AI copywriters at your fingertips. Imagine the time and effort you can save by having an AI assist you in generating high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Need to write a blog post? Jasper can help you generate ideas, write outlines, and even create entire drafts. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always available and never runs out of creative energy. Want to craft compelling social media posts? Jasper can help you with that too. It can suggest engaging captions, hashtags, and even the best times to post to maximize your reach and engagement. One of the things I love about Jasper is its user interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. The clean and modern dashboard makes it easy to find the tools and features you need. It's super clean and intuitive, even if you're not a tech-savvy person. The design is straightforward, making it accessible for beginners, while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. They've really focused on making the user experience as smooth as possible. From the moment you start using Jasper, you'll notice how seamlessly everything works together, allowing you to focus on creating rather than troubleshooting. Now, Jasper is a paid tool, but they do offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. This gives you a chance to explore all its features and see how it can benefit your content creation process without any initial investment. And trust me, once you experience the power of having AI generate high-quality content for you, you might just be hooked. The efficiency and creativity it brings to the table are truly game-changing, making it an invaluable tool for any content creator looking to elevate their work. Imagine the possibilities: increased productivity, more engaging content, and the potential for your work to reach a wider audience. Jasper AI is not just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone serious about content creation. So, if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, give Jasper AI a try. You might just find that it's the secret weapon you've been looking for to boost your creativity and productivity. Last but not least, let's talk about Copy.ai. This tool is all about short-form content, things like social media captions, ad copy, and even product descriptions. If you're constantly struggling to come up with catchy headlines or write engaging copy that converts, Copy.ai can be a lifesaver. One of the cool things about Copy.ai is its focus on different copywriting frameworks. They have templates for things like AIDA, which stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, Action, and PASS, which means Problem, Agitate, Solution, which can be super helpful if you're not a trained copywriter. They also have a feature called Pain Point to Benefit, where you input your target audience's pain points, and Copy.ai will generate benefits, your product or service offers, that address those pain points. Pretty slick, right? Like Jasper, Copy.ai is a paid tool, but they also offer a free trial. So if you're in the business of writing short-form content, it's definitely worth giving it a spin. All right, so we've covered 3 powerful AI tools: ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. Each one brings something unique to the table, but which one is right for you? Well, as with most things tech, it depends. If you're looking for a versatile AI companion that can chat, answer questions, and help you be more creative, ChatGPT is a great option. Plus, the fact that it has a free tier makes it very accessible. If you're a content creator who needs help generating high-quality written content quickly and efficiently, Jasper is the way to go. It's like having an AI writing assistant on call 24/7, And if short-form content is your jam, Copy.ai is the tool for you. It's perfect for crafting social media captions, ad copy, and product descriptions that convert. Ultimately, the best way to figure out which tool is right for you is to try them out for yourself. Most of them offer free trials, so you can experiment and see which one fits your workflow and needs the best. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Until next time, take care.